Good morning everyone. Today is January 10, 2025. It's too foggy here in DIP area, as you can see, and the fog is really dark. Napakadilim at saka sobrang lamig. So dark. Ayan, it's about 6:47 in the morning, but it's too foggy and dark.